guys, what's up? How are you? Hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jarell, and in today's video we are going to be doing these two looks right here. And of course you guys are going to be seeing swatches of the new little VISEART palette, and this one is called San Francisco, and I'm really excited to share how I created these two looks right here. Of course it is going to be a voiceover whenever I have this, is because my kids are sleeping. I did not have time during the day to film, so I am filming during the nighttime. I still want to provide you with some inspiration, especially if you picked up this little palette right here. And just in case you guys haven't seen it, it is this one. I will link all the products that I use down below in the description area, just in case you guys are interested. And of course you guys can use my links, and I will really appreciate it if you guys do. I do get a small commission whenever you guys use my links. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the swatches and the looks, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so here we have the VISEART Petite Pro palette in San Francisco, and here is the beautiful packaging. Here's the color story. I'm pressing on the eyeshadows very lightly just to give you an idea of what the color story looks like on the hands. And I gotta say that the colors are really nice and beautiful, very wearable. You can make this palette very wearable. Of course I had to take it to the next level just because that is my type of style. But that taupey shade right there, it's a super beautiful and very interesting for it to be in this color story because it is very cool tone. But here is the second road. Again, very nice pigmentation, especially with the green and the brown. It just gives you a lot of depth. You might not see it here on the swatches, but you can definitely build it up to give you the depth that you need for any look. So let's go ahead and get into the first look, and I'm going to take this little brownie shade. I'm going to use this on my outer corner and my crease. As you can see here, I'm just using this brush, a fluffy brush, to blend in the color. And then with the same brush, I'm just going to use the darkest shade in the palette. And this is just going to give us a little bit more definition in the outer corner. I'm going to build that up to the intensity that I can. And then I went ahead and cleaned my brow bone with the lightest shade, went back with the darkest shade, and now I'm bringing it into the crease just to, again, really just creating that definition. And then comes the fun part, which is adding the green shade. And this brush right here, I don't know where I got it. It's definitely from like a Boxy Charm brush. I really don't know what it is, where it came from, but I'm packing this color on the lid. You have to pack it. There's no blending. If you blend it, it's just going to dust all the way. You definitely have to pack it. And then I use my Marc Jacobs liner. I don't know if it still exists, but that is the green that I have on my waterline. With this little tiny brush and the green shade, I am going to smoke out my lower lashes and setting the liner in place. And then I went ahead and take a little bit of the brown shade as well and just do the same thing in the outer corner on my lower lash. I curl my lashes off camera, you guys didn't see that, and I am adding lots and lots of mascara. I am no longer using falsies for now. It could all change, but for now I'm not using falsies, so I am going to be adding lots and lots of mascara. Then I went ahead and added this shade right here. Just, it's very nice and peachy, and to highlight my inner corner. I didn't really want to drag it into the green just because I didn't want it to be disturbed, but here is the final look. For some reason I really thought that this lip combo really went well with this look, but now that I'm editing the video, I am not 100%. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like this look. Let's go ahead and start with the second look. I am going to take this really nice warm shade, and I'm going to add this to the outer part of my eye. As you can see here, this shade in particular does have a little bit more creaminess to it. It doesn't feel as a regular matte in my opinion. And I am going to also add it to the inner part and just creating that halo eye. And then I'm going to take this lighter brown, but it does have a little bit more yellow to it, and I'm just going to use it to blend the edges of the previous shade. Now going in with this orange shade in a flat brush, and I'm going to pack it on the lid and the inner part and outer part of my eye, and just going to go back with a blending brush, the one that we were using before, just to blend everything together, making this look really nice and seamless. And now I'm going to take this really beautiful taupey shade with my finger and pack it on the lid. This does have a beautiful sparkle to it. It's not too much, but it's really nice. And I'm going back with the orange shade just to blend the edges, going back with the same fluffy brush that we were using previously, and now highlighting the inner corner with the peachy shade in the palette, and just again more blending. Using the Urban Decay eyeliner, which is really nice and warm, I'm going to add it to my waterline, and now I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did on my lid to my lower lashes. As you can see here, just really adding that definition of the orange and the taupey shade. I think that it just makes such a huge difference to the eye, and it makes it a little bit more interesting. And I am having a hard time curling my lashes. I have been pinching myself so much, it really hurts. But here I am going to use my Patrick Ta mascara, which is one of my favorite ones, and I'm going to add lots and lots of mascara. And here is the final look. It is so pretty. I really didn't think that it was going to go like with the warm shades and the taupey shade, but it really does go, and it looks absolutely stunning. I don't think the lip combo again is just making it justice, but what do you guys think? Alright guys, so that is it for the video. That is it for these two looks. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you got inspired. I know they are super dramatic. Maybe not this one. This one is definitely a little bit more wearable with the cool and warm tones. This one is definitely a little bit dramatic, but I really enjoy the looks of both of them. So let me know in the comment section down below which one was your favorite, one or two. But that's it. Again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.